Hi youth, this is my second lecture in series of that which I am going to give for the youth so that the youth not only build up the immunity to stand the challenges of this yucca world. Now in the second lecture of mine, I will say that how you can create a positive thinking, positive attitude so that you become a focused person in your life and do well. The first of all, my dear friends, I will say in life you do what you like the most. It's not only the studies, but anything, whatever you pick up in life, you feel that you like it from your heart bottom, then you must go for it. Any sports, games, creativity, any field, whatever you like the most, you must pursue a timetable towards it. Secondly, now bringing into the ethics are very important in life. Ethic comes from the family, and I am sure if you are having very good relationship in your family along with your friends and you follow that you are truthful to yourself, I am sure that you will develop that positive thinking, your attitude will become positive, you will have the compassion for others, and then if you do what you like the most, that is the career or that is the field you choose, I am sure you will do very well. But here now the certain tips I am going to give you that during your studies, if you do some service under NSS National Social Service Scheme or NCC National Cadet Corps, or now the another opportunity you are going to have that Indian government most likely is going to give a chance that where every student, every youth before joining any government service, even in private, have to come and join serve nation. It is going to give a very high to you, and I am sure every one of you must strive to utilize that you serve for 2 or 3 years, whatever Indian government is going to have in future. So that is really gives you. Now you will say that why only the defense services? In defense services, there are the certain things that you have to imbibe in your personality, and you have to keep the nation first before self. That is the motto, that is the objective of defense forces. And here the same way, like if every one of you understand what are your responsibilities towards society, what is your responsibility towards your family, what is your responsibility towards your nation, it should be that what we can do for the nation, not what nation can do for us. We can make a change, and it is you youth, the new generation which is coming up, that which is going to change the entire destiny of nation. As that not only that you study well, it's not only that you're converting yourself into the entrepreneurs through different skill development skills, the different opportunities in plenty which is available to you, but finally, I am coming to it that you become a focused person with a positive attitude, positive thinking, and you contribute towards your nation. Now, how we do to do that? We have to make the sustained efforts. You know, our studies are not adequate enough that which gives you all these things. So here you have to make efforts that what I want to become in life. You draw a timetable and you work towards it. There's nothing, impromptu, it can happen in your life. You have to study the people, those who have made good career or become leader, that how they have become. They have put a very hard efforts towards it. But you must enjoy the life, and if you want to enjoy the life, you have to become systematic, and systematically you are going towards it, that what you want to become. That's where that you have to keep the timetable in mind. and you do efforts, you do well your in studies, but concentrate, focus what you like the most, what you want to become in life, so that the sustained efforts are towards that, and you make yourself the fittest, competent to stand in the competition in every walk of life. With this, when you become a focused person, when you become a person with positive attitude, you become adaptable. When you become adaptable, you make efforts to learn more. That flexibility comes in your personality, and with that, if you are making efforts, if you are playing games, sports, and you're playing a role in society, that you're truthful, you stand for a cause, and you stand for the right things in life, you support the social system, you contribute, and you stand against the wrong, and you become a person that not only you say yes in life, but you learn how to say no. No to wrongs of the life which is happening, wrong to the corruption which is happening, wrong what any social evil which is existing that you are going to take away with. And yes becomes that yes, you will fight against any challenge in the world. Yes, that you can fight pandemic because you are making yourself agile, fittest in life. I am sure you will have very good career, very good life, because you are enjoying the most what you like, and you have chosen this because you like it the most, and you have made the efforts so that you become confident, you become a person that what you like in life, and you bring that changes in a country or in the world. And I am sure with these words, you become a motivated person, you become a focused person, a person of positive thinking, and I am sure that you will contribute towards life, you will contribute towards your nation, and ultimately you are going to make a big difference in the life of human being around the world. Thank you very much.